Monique Trenchfield, overall female fitness champion. I see you're glowing. What does it feel like?
It feels amazing, ecstatic. All that sacrifice and hard work,
And coming in, I mean, were there any doubts?
No, not really. Not to sound arrogant or cocky, but no, not really. I worked hard. I've been working hard, so it was expected.
Okay. And what next for you?
What's next for me? Going back to the drawing board, put in some more work, try to build on size with my trainer, and hopefully start competing internationally.
Will you be a part of the CAC team, you think?
Maybe. If I get to where I need to get to, definitely.
Invitationals?
Thinking about it.
Okay, and clearly this a lot of work went into this, right?
Yes.
I mean, give us an idea of what the preparation was like coming in.
Alright, so I've been preparing from April because I also entered the novice competition. So working out 5 days a week, 2 hours per day, 40 minutes for cardio, sometimes 50. And then the diet is a whole other thing where we have like low carbs, high protein, the whole work. So lots of sacrifice, no leeway to eat what I want to eat or feel for something nice. But it was worth it.
It was worth it. So where's that trophy going at home?
I'm gonna have to build a shelf for it actually. I don't have space for this. It's almost my size.
Congratulations, Monique.
Thank you.